It was love at first sight when I met you in art class. When you would come to help me at my desk, I was so nervous I would hold my breath. I knew you were the one when you told me your name was Oscar Omar. When I asked you what I should call you, you said whatever you want. We've grown up together, and I love and cherish every phase of us. You are the best thing that ever happened to me, and you are my greatest blessing. You are the best part of my days and the highlight of my life. You will forever be my best friend.
This fits you well, bro. Yeah, really well. Also, his hair, his hairstyle.
My hairstyle?
Yeah, it's all that's cute.
It is? About 9 years ago, I met you in art class. And as cliche as that sounds, my life changed forever. The most beautiful girl I've ever seen. I was not looking for anyone, but as they say, love comes when you least expect it. I can still remember those first conversations about art, architecture, the universe, and God. I realized that not only I had a crush on you, but the way you see life made me fall even more in love with you. We have accomplished many goals together. We have traveled to so many places, explored volcanoes and waterfalls. We have shared tears and laughs. We have been there for each other through thick and thin. And after all these years, I know for sure that there is nothing bigger than our love. Hola.
¿Cómo estás?
How are you? You look so beautiful.
Incredible.
You look so pretty. How are you? I missed you. We're here. We should cry right now so we don't have to cry over that.
Yeah.
I love you. That's it. We did it.
Bienvenidos and welcome. We begin with a reminder that we are not alone, a reminder that we are gathered for Omar and Kayla because of who we have been to them, who we are, and most importantly, who we will be for them as they build their lives as husband and wife. There are more than two families coming together today, nearly a decade's worth of friends, family, and all the accompanying memories of nurturing love have led to a loving world gathered here for these two. From far places and near, we find ourselves together. We may have walked down very different paths, but starting today, we will have a shared moment, a shared celebration, and a shared awareness of our love and friendship for these two. Sharing our love with each other is the surest way to help it grow, which is super convenient since the couple has prepared a few words for us to hear them share with each other.
I love how passionate you are about the things that you like, such as astronomy, nature, or how X-rays travel through space and cause much radiation. I love you, Kayla, unconditionally and without hesitation. I vow to love you, encourage you, trust you, and respect you. Today I promise you I will laugh with you in times of joy and comfort you in times of sorrow. Together, let us build a home filled with learning, love, and laughter. Today, I choose you to be my wife. I accept you as you are, and I offer myself in return. I will care for you, stand beside you, and share with you all of the life's adversities, and all of his joys from this day forward, and all of the days of my life. Te amo, Kayla. Yesterday, today, and forever. As I always tell you, our story is my favorite love story.
I promise to be there for you no matter what, and to stay by your side facing the many challenges in life to come. I vow to never stop dreaming big with you and to always make time for our travels, hikes, day trips, and picnics. I I promise to celebrate the little things in life with you every day and to have a positive attitude. I vow to be patient and kind, and I will love the person that you become just as much as the person you are today. I vow to take care of myself and you so we can enjoy endless, happy, and healthy years together. I promise to be your #1 fan along the soccer sidelines and at the beach while you surf. I promise to walk you through your skincare routine every morning and every night. I promise to become fluent in Spanish after almost a decade. And I will never forget that Lionel Messi is better than Cristiano Ronaldo. I vow to be the woman that you inspired me to be and the woman that you deserve. Te amo, mi amor. I love you with all my heart, Omar. And being your wife is the greatest title I'll ever have.
If you ever feel daunted by the past or intimidated by the future, remember the certainty of this moment. Take comfort that you have found your person. You have found someone to share all your moments with. Let us trust in each other and our love today, and let it direct our course from this day forward. Kayla and Omar, let us hope that love finds us worthy this day to form the knot. Pledge to one another, sanctified by the presence of your family and friends, and the love of all that we share for you. By the powers vested in me, I now proclaim you husband and wife. Omar, give Brad a kiss.
Cause you're a sky full of stars. I'm gonna give you my heart. Cause you're a sky full of stars.
Bring out Mr. and Mrs. Ramirez.
Just your light.
Kayla, so much of my life has been shared with you, and I'd never want it any other way. It's been an amazing experience to grow up with you and see you become the person here today. Anyone who knows you can attest that you have the biggest heart and you care so deeply for others. Sometimes to the point that I feel you carry the emotions of the world on your shoulders. And I could not be happier that you found someone who matches your big heart for the world and for each other.
We love you. We will continue to be here for you no matter what. You're one of the strongest person I have ever met. You have endured so much in the past few years. If I tell everyone here what that was, it would take more than 3 minutes. You've shown so much resilience, and it's truly inspiring. But your resilience isn't just about bouncing back. It's about your ability to find beauty in it. You have turned your hardship into valuable life lessons and setbacks into stepping stones towards success. Success isn't something that you can achieve that easily. And throughout the midst of all those hardships, your North Star was Kayla. Kayla, we had a song growing up we used to play on the guitar called Guardian Angel. And you have made Omar so happy in ways that we could not. And quite frankly, we wouldn't want to. You're so much of the reason why he is the man he is today. And for that, I thank you for being his guardian angel.
It's been a pleasure for your mother and I to watch you mature into such a wonderful, successful, loving and caring person. And I hope all your dreams come true, and today is just the start of your next adventure. To Kayla and Oscar, love, happiness, prosperity, and adventure. Love you guys.
just cannot forget this person. You feel miserable when not in their presence. You're always yearning, let's see more of each other, let's get together, we're completely entangled. And then you see, you've actually, a kind of what I will call spiritual element has been introduced, is a thing that strikes like lightning and is therefore extremely analogous, capricious, and therefore crazy. It seems to me to be a total denial of life to refuse it. Falling in love